Google, Intel, LinkedIn, and Twitter. All of these Silicon Valley unicorns follow the OKR approach to setting goals and objectives. There are many other competing ideologies and frameworks out there, but following OKRs have produced a disproportionate number of successes. So let me dive into that topic for you. My name is Alexej and I help SaaS founders scale. In this episode, I will briefly define what OKRs are, the history and how Google applies them. I will then talk about how to set clear objectives and how to define key results. And following that, I will talk about how to implement OKRs successfully and some common pitfalls. Imagine transforming your business goals from mere visions into tangible successes. That's the power of OKRs, objectives and key results. Far from just another buzzword in the corporate world, OKRs are revolutionary to goal setting and performance measurement. This strategic framework empowers businesses to set challenging yet achievable goals, coupled with clear metrics to track progress and success. Take Google for instance. This tech giant's remarkable journey of growth and innovation is partly attributed to its adept implementation of OKRs. By aligning the ambitious objectives with measurable key results, Google has consistently managed to turn their groundbreaking ideas into reality, setting new benchmarks in the industry. Ready to learn how to set OKRs and unlock the full potential of your business? Let's dive into understanding how this powerful framework can reshape your approach to achieving success, just like it did for Google. Now, what are OKRs? OKRs serve as a strategic blueprint for organizations, enabling them to establish ambitious targets and systematically monitor their achievements through quantifiable indicators. This methodology hinges on two fundamental components. Objectives, these are the qualitative, inspirational, and overarching goals set by an organization. Objectives are designed to be challenging yet achievable, providing a clear direction and purpose. They should be succinct, motivating, and aligned with the organization's vision and mission. Key results, for each objective, there are typically 3 to 5 key results. They are quantifiable, time-bound benchmarks that measure progress towards the objective. Key results should be specific and actionable, providing a clear roadmap for how the objective will be achieved. They are often expressed in terms of growth, performance, or engagement metrics. Now let's look into the brief history of OKRs. The concept of OKRs has its roots in the 1950s with Peter Drucker's Management by Objectives. Great book, by the way. However, the framework, as it's known today, was first popularized by Andy Grove, the former CEO of Intel, in the 1970s. Grove introduced the concept as a way to bridge the gap between strategy and execution. He believed that by setting clear, measurable goals, organizations could achieve better focus, alignment, and commitment. In the 1990s, John Doerr, a former Intel employee and a venture capitalist, introduced OKRs to Google. This was a pivotal moment as the company's successful adoption of the framework showcased its effectiveness in driving growth and innovation. Google used OKRs to prioritize its goals, measure progress, and keep teams aligned on a shared vision. This practice helped it evolve from a startup to a global technology leader. Effectiveness of OKRs is the next topic I would like to discuss with you. The effectiveness of OKRs lies in their simplicity and flexibility. Unlike other goal-setting methodologies, OKRs are adaptable to various organizational sizes and industries. They encourage transparency and accountability, as everyone in the company is aware of the goals and understands how their work contributes to achieving them. This clarity fosters employee engagement and motivation. OKRs also promote a culture of continuous improvement. By regularly reviewing and adjusting key results, corporations can respond swiftly to changes in the market or internal dynamics. This agility is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. Impact on organizational change, from enhancing focus to driving cultural change. There are many ways OKRs impact various facets of an organization. Let's list a few of them here. Enhanced focus and clarity, increased accountability and transparency, agility and adaptability, cultural transformation. Now the next topic is how to actually craft your objective. Let's put it into practice. Think about a key area in your organization or team that needs improvement or offers an opportunity for growth. Using the SMART framework, formulate an objective. For instance, if you're looking to improve customer satisfaction, your objective might be increase customer satisfaction scores by 20% within the next 6 months by enhancing our customer service protocols and training. Consider the feasibility and impact of your objective. Does it align with your business goals? Is it challenging yet achievable? Use this exercise to refine your approach to settle effective objectives. Now, let's talk about defining key results. Key results are the measurable outcomes that indicate the achievement of an objective in the OKR framework. They are essential for tracking progress and ensure that the objective is not just visionary, but also grounded in reality. Now, how to create measurable and quantifiable key results? Well, first, identify quantifiable metrics. That you do by starting to identify metrics that can quantifiably measure progress towards the objective. These metrics should be clear and unambiguous, such as percentages, numbers, or specific milestones. For instance, if the objective is to expand market reach, a key result could be increase the customer base by 15% by the end of Q2. Another point is ensure relevance and realism when defining your key results. Key results should be directly relevant to the objective and realistically achievable within the set timeframe. They should challenge the team, but not be so ambitious that they become demotivating. For example, if the objective is to enhance product quality, a key result could be reduce product defects by 30% within 6 months. Another point is incorporation of timeframes. Assign a specific time frame for each key result to create a sense of urgency and focus. This also helps in periodic review and adjustment of strategies if needed. A key result like launch 3 new product features by the end of Q3 is time-bound and clear. By the way, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel below. Now, I will now jump into implementing OKRs. Initial preparation and training. Begin educating the leadership and employees about OKRs. This could involve workshops, training sessions, or distributing educational material to ensure everyone understands the OKR framework, and obviously tell them to read the book. Define organizational objectives. Leadership should start by setting high-level organizational objectives. These should be ambitious, aligned with the company's mission and vision, and should resonate with the broader goals of the company. Now, departmental and team OKRs. Encourage each department and team to set their own OKRs that align with the business objectives. This step ensures that every part of the organization contributes towards the common goals. Integration into business processes. Objectives and key results cannot be just standalone. Integrate OKRs into existing business processes such as performance reviews, project planning, and regular team meetings. This helps in maintaining focus on OKRs throughout the operational cycle. And finally, regular check-ins and adjustments. Schedule regular check-ins, weekly or monthly, to review progress on OKRs. These check-ins should be an opportunity for teams to discuss challenges, celebrate achievements, and make necessary adjustments to the OKRs. Now, last but not least, end-of-cycle reviews. At the end of each OKR cycle, usually quarterly or annually, conduct a comprehensive review. Assess what was achieved, what wasn't, and why. Use these insights to inform the next set of OKRs. Now let's talk about common pitfalls and how to avoid them. First, setting too many OKRs. Second, vague objectives and vague key results. Third, disconnect between OKRs and daily work. Fourth, ignoring employee input. And 5, neglecting to adjust OKRs. In fact, we adjust our OKRs bi-monthly, and some companies adjust them even monthly. Whatever works for you, but adjusting is key. If you like this video, check out my website alexejpikovsky.com for more information on how to optimize your business and reach profitability and growth. Bye.